guys, welcome back to my kitchen. And today, as you see, I have some chicken wings here, and I'm going to deep fry these chicken wings and have a nice hot sauce. So the chicken, as you look at it right now, you see how big this chicken is. It looks like a turkey wing, but it is chicken, okay? And it have this tip here. This tip here, I'm going to cut this tip off and remove it because I'm not going to be using this tip. And this wingette section here, I'm going to be using this. There's a bone in the middle there, right? That separates the wingette from the drumette. So I'm going to cut into this bone, and I'll show you how I prepare this lovely recipe. Okay, so what I do, I cut off the tip. I use a sharp knife, and I cut off the tip because I'm not going to be using this. You can use this, like if you're making chicken foot sauce, you could throw this in, right? So the wingette is separated from the drumette here, and there's a bone in the middle, as I've said, so you want to give that bone a little cut so you can actually see the bone. So you're going to cut this up. So these are the parts of the wing I'm going to be using. Sometimes you might find some little feathers. You could just pluck out the feathers, okay? Find the bone and cut through. The amount of chicken I have, this is 3 pounds of chicken here. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash the chicken. You get some lime, you squeeze the juice of a lime, and you wash the chicken. Right? Because that is what I do with all my meat and fish. You just squeeze out the lime juice and just give it a wash to take out all that freshness from that chicken, okay? So you wash your chicken, and another thing is you don't want to have your chicken really cold. You want to take it out from the refrigerator and thaw it out for at least 20 minutes. Right? Take it out and thaw it out from the fridge for at least 20 minutes because you don't want the temperature of the oil when you fry it to be reduced. That is going to cook the chicken on the outside, and the inside of the chicken is going to be raw and bloody, and you don't want that, okay? So now that you have washed your chicken, the next step is I'm going to take some paper towel and I'm going to dry this off. Okay, so I take the chicken wing and just dab a piece of paper towel on it to absorb all that wetness. So here I am drying off the chicken wings with a piece of paper towel because you don't want all that splashes and stuff like that when you're frying, okay? You sort of dry it off. And the flour also will prevent it from splashing. So this is what I do. And then I'm going to do the next step. The next step, as you've seen, I'm drying off the chicken wings. I'm using a piece of paper towel to absorb all that excess liquid that you have on the chicken wing. So to the flour, this is 2.5 cups of flour here that I'm using to coat the chicken wing. So I'm going to add some black pepper to it. Also, I'm going to add some onion powder. This is actually to season up the chicken. And I'm going to add some garlic powder. So this is white pepper. I'm going to use some black pepper also. And let me find some cayenne pepper. This is some red pepper here. I'm going to make it a little spicy. I'm going to add some red pepper. And what you do, you combine that with your hand. And also, you put some of that garlic powder on your chicken. You just season your chicken up. And also the white pepper. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt also. A sprinkle of salt. On your chicken. And you just rub it in. Now the chicken is not too cold. Temperature is just right. And you take it and you coat it in the flour. Each piece must be well coated on each side in the flour. And I'll be back with the frying of the chicken. Okay, the chicken has been marinated for like about half an hour. And I have a skillet here. You see the depth of the skillet? You don't want your chicken, when you put the chicken in here, for it to be splattering, the oil to be splattering all over. So you have to fry this chicken in a relatively deep type of skillet and not a flat skillet. So the oil, I've used enough oil to deep fry this chicken. It all depends on the size of pot or skillet that you have. Alright? So what you do now, what I normally do to test to see if the oil is hot enough, is that I take a piece of garlic and I just throw that garlic in that oil. And this will tell you if the oil is hot enough, okay? Right? That garlic have to be brown and nice. And then you'll be able to fry that chicken. Now if you look at the garlic, you see it has taken on a really nice golden color. That means the oil is hot enough to fry this chicken wing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this piece of garlic from in the hot oil. And I'm going to dust out each one of these chicken wings and just drop it in the hot oil for frying. See, it has no splatter. The oil is at the right temperature. And you don't want your stove too high, okay, to cook the outside of the chicken and then the inside is raw. And make sure whatever you're putting in the frying pan, like if you're using a pot spoon, it is dry, okay? Because you don't want anything to splatter. And you let it fry down. I'll be back. Okay guys, this is how my chicken came out, fried to perfection. Right, my chicken wings, and I'm going to make that sauce, right? That buffalo type sauce for my chicken wing. So what I'm going to be using is 4 tablespoons of butter. 4 tablespoons of butter in a hot pot. You just sort of play with it until it melts away. And to that I'm going to add half a cup of ketchup. Half cup of ketchup added to that butter. Also, I'm going to be putting a little touch of the Caribbean in it. I'm going to be using half cup of calypso hot sauce. Ooh, this is going to be spicy and nice, guys. I'm telling you, it's going to be real spicy and nice. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome aboard to your Jill and Jill's Chili Kitchen, where loads of delicious recipe comes your way on a regular basis. So I would like you to like, share, and comment. Make a nice comment, leave a comment in fact, and subscribe to my beautiful channel. And also I'm going to use another hot sauce. This is chili sauce. When I tell you this is spicy. I'm going to be using half cup of chili sauce too. So we're making the buffalo sauce, buffalo type sauce for this chicken. And to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. And you stir it until it thickens up. Smells so good already. When it started thickening, it will start to bubble up. You see the bubbles appearing there? This is what you want. So you leave it on the stove for about a minute or so. And then we all through with it. So I'm going to leave this, let it thicken up a little bit for about another minute. And I'll be back. Over a minute. And the sauce is thick and nice. So you turn your stove off. And you pour that sauce onto that chicken. Look at that. Look at that sauce, how it just pouring onto that chicken. Guys, I'm telling you, I wish you were here to enjoy this chicken with me. And I'm going to sneeze. I feel a sneeze is coming down. Right? So you give it a little shake. And here you have chicken wings with buffalo sauce. Fried chicken wings with buffalo sauce. Smells good? Guys, I'm telling you, look at the inside of that chicken. Oh my goodness. Wow. That sauce is off the chain. Wow. And I have some celery sticks. And I have some ranch dressing here to go with it. I can't even talk. Chicken tastes so good. Guys, I think I'm going to do a mukbang to really show you how this chicken came out. So, like, comment, and share my video with family and friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is Igil Anfield wishing you a wonderful day. And enjoy the game tomorrow. Bye.